Okay, welcome back to another Computercraft episode on my 2D game thing. I've added something that's pretty cool. Will be improved in the future, like most of the stuff I add. Which means it probably won't be improved, but you know. There'll probably be an episode on the finished product of the saving. There's a saving feature now, is what I'm saying. Just check that I'm recording, yep. If I go into color game, I now have this huge map. Nothing to do in it. I have no items, so what would I do? Let's just load the map items. This is a small map, but it's got these items that I can pick up. And at this point, you kind of do bring items through the void. Like, you bring them from map to map, that'll be fixed. This is a rough version. And then I can place something. Drill. Let's do like a high message. This might be a little too big. Make hi, and then I can save is high, load big map, and then load high again, and right here. Can also load another thing I made while testing, which is faces. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Some point I want to make this a a system to where I can go to like the right of the screen to like a door or something that leads outside of the level, right? That's a 5, so I can't break it. And then you'll load into another map where you are all the way over here. So going through here, coming to a completely different, like you're changing rooms basically. And now that I've fixed the whole dimensions of the room issue, very simple, but it annoyed the heck out of me. Yeah. So, as usual, let's look at some behind the scenes stuff. Here's the, probably shouldn't have shown my file explorer. That was the folder. So let's look at the, hi, that one. Let's look at that, save file. Just a lot of numbers. You can tell if it was made by the computer or a human, because human would probably not have the 0.0 on the end, so that's how you know, generated. So this is the map. So right about here, this is the player position, so X is 6, Y is 2. You have the dimensions of the map, which is 21 by 16. And then you have every single tile in the map, going all the way down. So all of it. And then you have this, which marks the start of the color map. So these are all the colors, which there are none. And then this is the mark of the items. Because I picked them up, again, my item system, instead of removing them completely, it just sets them to the side, so that's why it's -1.0. And then items ends it. After this, though, I would put the, thinking of course, when I improve on this and have it save inventory, then the inventory will go probably right about here. Just add it to the end. I mean, it's not the easiest to read or to edit, but it kind of doesn't need to be. And of course, when I get around to it, I'll make a map editor, and it'll save into those files. And yeah, I was thinking of. Well, let me pull up the items. See, just because. Not bad. There. See, I need to I'm gonna add a like dot map extension to it. Just so that when you look in this and go dir, it doesn't just look like random stuff. Maybe, actually, I'm probably just gonna have a folder with all of it in there, which is easy to do, so won't be that hard. So we have all this, and then you can see, oh, this save file has items because it's the item one. Those are the coordinates of the, not the coordinates, that's what tile they're on. Anyways, so those are the files. Code, again, messy, you know the drill, don't judge me. Probably will never fix it, but you know, who cares? It works. What did I add? Load map chords. This, again, this is for that system where you go to the edge of the map and go again. I'll rename it later. Okay, for now that's the name. At some point it'll just be load map without these chords. I don't know. That's just a remnant of the past. So you open the file, which is in the disk, so, you know, if I wanted to add my own file, I just folder, I just do like map slash sorry. So it reads position first, map, and then it just reads. You get the drill. Bad code. It goes line for line, checks if it's color start. If it's not, then save whatever number it is, which will to the map, which is a tile. So when you're loading a smaller map, let's say like a map that's like this big over here, it's going to put that up here, right? Well, that's actually gonna go like all the way, but all of the rest of the map will still actually be in this table. It just won't be red. Same with the color. Then the items kind of just go two at a time. Reads the tile position, saves it, goes to the next line, reads what item is there, saves it, so on and so forth. There needs to be a loop before it, something that actually deletes everything in the items section, because if there are 3 items here, then when it saves there will be an extra item, so I need to do that. I'm aware. Again, I don't have more than 2 items, so right now it's not a problem, but yeah. It closes, and then this annoyed me so much because I didn't have this before, and it would just, the map would turn to gibberish because I forgot to calculate the home position, so it was really confused on where it was in the world. And then say map does the opposite, or it just saves it, right? It does the same thing, but with saving it. So you have to load it and then place star items. And that's just for visuals. So that's basically it. It's not too complicated. Definitely annoying. I've never looked at the documentation before, so you know, pretty pretty cool. Is there anything else I wanted to do? I mean, if you load a map that's not there, it has an error, so I'll have to fix that at some point. Well, I probably just won't, to be honest. I don't even know a user would probably not be doing that anyways. But that's a save and load feature added to the game. Yeah. Trying to think, is there anything else? Anything else? I know that I'd want to talk about. Anything? Don't think so. No, not at all. I still haven't used these texts. I need to do that. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of this devlog thing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Everyone enjoyed, you know. I would appreciate a like and sub. Oh, I should have made a map that said like and sub. That would have been. I would appreciate a like and sub. Kind of just stalling. If you're interested in more of this, like and sub, basically. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.